We went into this project wanting two things really. We wanted more space, and we live in a historic home, so we wanted to bring back some of the historic original characteristics. And we've definitely achieved both of those things. We have a master bedroom remodel that's like a retreat. It's really nice to go to at the end of the day and just feel like, with a lot of little kids running around, that it's just a nice place for us to have our own space. And I feel like we've really achieved some of bringing back the character of the old home. We wanted to really do well by the home and bring it back to its original glory, if you will. So there's a definite, when people come into the house, they say, oh my gosh, I love that you kept this, and I love these casement windows, and so we're really proud of our house.